Hola mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba Aguilar, and in this video we're going to spice up our Guapea or our back basic to make it a little bit more fancier on the dance floor. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, let me show you a quick demo of how Guapea Cruzado looks like with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, y. Alright, we have a special guest for today. She's going to be joining us and sleeping soundly through the whole video as she's always done, and not even remotely impressed by my dancing. But anywho, I digress. So let's start off first with the Guapea and then we go straight into Guapea Cruzado. So here we go. Nice and slow, we start back going 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6. One more Guapea. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and hold 7 at a slight angle. I open up. I'm going to step back with the left leg on 1, open up with my right, 2, feet together, 3, and then we come back again to that other angle, cross with my right foot on 5, stepping out on 6, and then feet together, 7 at a slight angle otra vez. I go back 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, una más, 1, 2, 3, y ahí nada más. Alright, mi gente, so when we're doing Guapea Cruzado, it's very easy to lose your balance. So you want to make sure you keep yourself centered at all times. So watch what I do here. When I go back on 1, open up on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice how I actually don't lean too far back or too far forward, right? Because that can make me slip and fall and hurt myself. So I want to make sure I keep myself balanced and centered. 1, I center myself here on 2, right? So I'm kind of centered here, but then when I pull that left leg on 3, I recenter myself, facing at my left angle, crossing with the right foot on 5, opening up 6, and then 7, readjusting to my angle to do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's try this con música in halftime and después full speed. All right, here we go. 5, 6, Guapea, halftime. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Una más. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Cruzado. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double time. Here we go. 5, 6. Double time. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. One more. Y abre, cruzado. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, tap the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, there'll be a nice playlist right here for you, so you can check out all the cool moves that we previously learned and then add this new fancy variation into your back pocket. Also, drop a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite moment in this video and what are you looking forward to in the next upcoming lessons. Until then, my name is Hebert. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends, y hasta la próxima.